getting back on the festival bandwagon after an 11-year break has not come easy to N-Dubz. Roaming around the great outdoors, exposed to all the elements, away from creature comforts, and if, say, you lost some expensive jewelry for a performance, good luck trying to find it. That's exactly the situation Tulisa from the band found herself in. And despite the hip-hop trio being given a warm reaction by fans at the Isle of Wight festival for one of their first big gigs of the summer, she had to deal with the backstage stress of some missing personal trinkets. A festival insider said, "The band had a great set but Tulisa managed to drop an expensive piece of jewelry and she was gutted. It meant that she, her team and the crew had to spend most of the evening scouring the stage and the grass and pathways backstage for it in low light. There's no word if the search party managed to find it, so if anyone spotted a big sparkler among the rolling green fields of the Island Festival, please hand it in to Lost and Found."